Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Portugal's nationality and passport process, new rules and timeline, 2025. In June 2025, Portugal introduced significant reforms to its nationality laws, marking a pivotal shift in the country's approach to citizenship. These changes, influenced by rising immigration and political dynamics, aim to tighten naturalization requirements and address administrative challenges. Example: Maria, originally from Brazil, moved to Portugal in 2018. Under the new 2025 nationality rules, because Brazil is a Portuguese-speaking country, she needs to complete 7 years of residency, instead of 10, before applying for citizenship. She must also pass a Portuguese language and culture test, provide a clean criminal record, and formally declare her support for Portugal's democratic values. After submitting her application through the new digital platform, Maria can expect the process to take about 2 to 3 years before she receives her Portuguese passport. Memo: Key changes to nationality law, 2025. 1. Doubling the residency requirement. The standard residency period for most foreigners seeking Portuguese citizenship has been increased from 5 to 10 years. However, nationals from Portuguese-speaking countries, CPLP, such as Brazil, Angola, and Mozambique, benefit from a reduced residency requirement of 7 years. This adjustment reflects Portugal's evolving immigration policies and its response to domestic political pressures. 2. Enhanced integration criteria. Applicants must now demonstrate a deeper integration into Portuguese society. This includes proficiency in the Portuguese language, knowledge of Portuguese culture, legal principles, and civic responsibilities, a clean criminal record, with no effective prison sentences, a declaration of support for the fundamental principles of a democratic state. 3. Changes to citizenship by birth. Previously, children born in Portugal to foreign parents automatically acquired Portuguese nationality. Under the new law, this is no longer the case. Parents must have resided in Portugal for at least 3 years and must submit a formal application for their child's citizenship. 4. Revocation of citizenship. The new legislation introduces provisions allowing for the revocation of Portuguese citizenship in cases where individuals commit serious crimes. This measure aims to reinforce the integrity of the nationality process. 5. Elimination of special criteria for Sephardic Jews. The special criteria facilitating the naturalization of descendants of Sephardic Jews have been removed. Applicants in this category must now meet the standard requirements, including a minimum of 3 years of legal residence in Portugal. Hourglass passport processing times and reforms. Current processing times. As of mid-2025, the processing times for Portuguese nationality applications remain lengthy. 1. Naturalization by residence, 36 to 48 months. 2. Children of Portuguese citizens, 12 to 18 months. 3. Grandchildren of Portuguese citizens, 25 to 30 months. 4. Spouses of Portuguese citizens, 24 to 36 months. Digital platform implementation. In October 2024, Portugal launched a new digital platform aimed at streamlining the citizenship application process. This platform utilizes automation and artificial intelligence to reduce processing times by approximately 50%. Despite these advancements, some applicants report waiting times exceeding 2 years due to high application volumes and resource constraints. Magnifying glass. Practical guidance for applicants for naturalization. Applicant residency requirement. Ensure you have completed the required residency period, 10 years for most, 7 years for CPLP nationals. Documentation. Prepare evidence of language proficiency, cultural knowledge, and a clean criminal record. Application process. Utilize the new digital platform for submitting and tracking your application. For applicants via descent or marriage eligibility, confirm your eligibility based on your relationship to a Portuguese citizen. Documentation. Gather necessary documents, including proof of descent or marriage. Processing times. Be prepared for varying processing times, which can range from 12 to 30 months, depending on your specific circumstances. Pushpin conclusion. Portugal's 2025 nationality reforms signify a more stringent approach to citizenship, emphasizing integration and compliance with legal standards. While the new digital platform offers hope for reduced processing times, applicants should be prepared for potential delays due to high demand and administrative challenges. Staying informed and organized will be crucial for navigating the updated nationality process. Thank you for watching this video.